Looking for more leads? More phone calls? Driving directions and in-store foot traffic? Did you know that Google My Business profiles with photos get 30% more calls and 42% more direction requests? Moreover, these profiles are 70% more likely to attract location visits. While there is no secret to harnessing the power of Google to drive results for your business, there definitely is a commitment of time and resources. How? It starts by properly setting up and monitoring your Google My Business account, adding new and engaging posts minimally once every 7 days, adding new photos that are properly geo-tagged, responding to all Google reviews timely and authentically, reviewing all Google suggested updates weekly, and more. On average, this takes nearly 20 hours per month per location. Thankfully, there is an easier, more affordable solution. SERP Apex. The SERP Apex team performs ongoing account optimization, fortification, and consumer-facing content generation, while managing the inbound user-generated requests, reviews, and questions. Learn more at serpapex.com today.